everyone. I'm sure you probably new here, so you better subscribe. So today I want to talk about peer-to-peer trading. What peer-to-peer trading is, which exchanges to use, and I want to dabble a little bit and talk about Paxful, which is a peer-to-peer exchange that I use. I've been using it for the last 2 years, and I haven't really had a lot of problems with it. And yeah, let's get it. What is peer-to-peer trading? Peer-to-peer, also known as P2P, exchanges allow traders to swap cryptocurrencies without needing to go through a third party. Instead, traders can buy cryptocurrencies directly from the seller using their preferred payment method. Basically, this means you can buy certain cryptocurrencies on these exchanges directly from other people. These people will send you money and you send them the crypto. That's basically P2P. You might ask, what are the advantages? Well, you can mark up the Bitcoin, like at a increase it by maybe 10%, 5%, 20%, and sell it to the next person. There are always people willing to buy. Which exchanges offer peer-to-peer trading? And that's Pax. Well, there's a lot, but then the biggest ones are Paxful, OKX, Binance, and Ubi. And obviously there are many more, but then these have a lot of liquidity, so I like them. So I want to show you guys how Paxful works and how easy it is to use Paxful. So I'm not going to be using the app. I'm actually going to be using their browser. I'm going to be using their website. So yes, this is my Paxful account. I've used it quite a lot. As you can see on Paxful, you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Tether, you can buy US coin, and you can sell Tether, you can sell Bitcoin, or you can sell your USD coin. Paxful has more than 350 different ways to buy or sell crypto. And Paxful uses what we call a loyalty system. The more people you trade with, the more credible you are on the platform. So as you can see, this is how after creating your account, you can create an offer. Now creating an offer, create an offer to sell Bitcoin. This is creating an offer to sell Bitcoin. So you choose the cryptocurrency that you want. It's either Bitcoin, Tether, USD. Don't forget, for those who don't know, Tether and USD coin are all stable coins. They are meant to stay $1. So they are stable coins. So after that, what would you like to do? Sell Bitcoin or buy it? Let's just say sell it. Then payment method, as I said, there are a lot of payment methods. There are a lot of payment methods you can use. There are a lot of payment methods. As you can see, all payment methods, there are more than 450, 484. Bank transfer, online wallets, debit, credit cards, gift cards, digital currencies, cash payments, goods and services. So there are lots and lots of methods you can use. So let me just choose bank transfer because I already have my banking details here and everything. showing recommended options for South Africa. I'm in South Africa, so wherever you are in the world, it will be different. Then accept everything. Then select the bank you want to use. I have multiple banks here. Then here you just have to write the name of the bank you're using. And for example, I choose Standard Bank, so I could write Standard Bank. Then next, this is the most important part. This is the pricing part. Choose Bitcoin rate you want to use, market price. Your offer ceiling will change according to the market price of Bitcoin. So it will change depending on what the market price is. A fixed price, your offer ceiling price is locked when you create it, and it won't change with the market price. So as the price of Bitcoin is busy moving up and down, your amount won't change. So using a fixed price is not really advisable. Use the market price. So yeah, then literally just choose how much, depending on how much Bitcoin you have on that specific account. Then advanced, offer margin. This is the markup. This is where you make your money. Offering margin. So basically at 5%, if you're selling Bitcoin worth 171 Rand, you will get 179 Rand. By that, 5% of 171 is basically plus minus 8 Rand. So that's your markup. You can increase it to whatever amount you want. As you can see, I increased it to 30% now. So each time you sell 171 Rand worth of Bitcoin, which is plus minus $10, you will get 222. So yes, that's your markup. This is the reason why people do peer-to-peer. The markup, offer margin. Then you get to choose the amount of time you want the trade to be open. If a person initiates a trade, the trade could be open for an hour, 30 minutes, depending on how you want it to be. Since you're the one who's selling, you set the rules. So that's how it goes. It's a very easy platform to use. It's a very easy platform to use. I've traded more than 200, maybe 200 times on this platform, and I have 20. Like I said, people can rate you depending on how you trade with them. So I got 22 positive feedbacks. So yes, I've traded 186 times, and I have 23 trusted partners. So 23 people that trade with me actually trust me. And out of these 186 trades, I've been repeating some of the merchants because they're good people and they were doing good business with me. So yeah, these are the positive remarks that people leave. Fast and reliable trade, thank you, good trade, reliable trader, trusted trader. As people write this and more people see this, that means you can know I'm not a scammer, because there are a lot of scammers on this platform. So since I showed you how the platform works, I want to show you the cons and advantages of using Paxful. Well, when it comes to the advantages, Paxful is made for those who want to trade directly with other people. This marketplace connects buyers and sellers, and it lets them choose from hundreds of payment methods. Best of all, there is no fee for buying crypto on Binance. On Paxful. I'm really sorry about that, Paxful. This crypto exchange is for crypto investors who like searching for deals and peer-to-peer trading. It's strictly for peer-to-peer trading. You know, the platform is for peer-to-peer trading, no fees for buying crypto, wide variety of payment methods, over 350 methods, slick design. It's a very easy platform to use. Reputation system. That's the system I was talking about, where people review you. The more they leave positive remarks on your account, the more people will trade with you. The more the platform's algorithm will push you up whenever you initiate a trade. So the more reputation, the better the reputation you have, the better the account and the more trades you can do. The cons of using Paxful, because yeah, there are cons everywhere in crypto. So yeah, there's that. But then there are many times there ain't that many types of cryptocurrencies you can trade on Paxful. As you saw, Bitcoin, you can only buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest are stable coins. So if you're hoping to build a portfolio on Paxful, that won't cut it. So if you're hoping to build a portfolio, like, you should get a better platform, because this is not the platform for that. This is a platform for peer-to-peer trading. There's a high risk of scams if you don't understand the platform correctly. The biggest problem with peer-to-peer crypto trading is that it attracts scammers. When using Paxful, you need to be aware of common scams and check people's reputation before trading with them. Those are things you don't need to worry about on crypto exchanges that process trades for you. That's the bad part. Other exchanges process the trades for you, so you don't have to worry about scams. Here on Paxful, there are a few scams that can happen. If you're planning on using Paxful to buy or sell crypto, here are some scams to watch out for. A seller asks you to trade outside of Paxful. Never agree to that. Some scammers will tell you, let's talk on Telegram, let's talk on WhatsApp, and trade outside the app. Please do not accept that. Even if they offer you a discount, do not agree to that. Because Paxful will not protect you once you trade outside the application. Then a seller asks you to cancel the trade after payment. Scammers often do this with gift card payments, although it can happen with other payment methods too. If you cancel after you've already paid, the scammer could take your money. If you initiate a trade while buying Bitcoin on Paxful, then you send the money. After sending the money, I repeat, do not cancel the trade. If you cancel it, the seller is not obliged to send you the Bitcoin anymore. A buyer pays with a reversible payment method and initiates a chargeback. For example, a buyer could use credit card or PayPal and then do a chargeback after getting the crypto. This is one of the biggest risks for sellers. You can report the chargeback to Paxful, but the exchange doesn't guarantee you can get your money back. So basically, when you're selling your Bitcoin, a person could send you money via PayPal or via a credit card or a debit card. Then report the money they sent you as a scam just after sending it. The bank might reverse the transaction after you've already sent the Bitcoin. It is very unlikely for you to get your money back. Very unlikely. So these are the cons of using Paxful. As a buyer and a seller, there are cons. That's why it is advisable to trade with someone that has traded with multiple people and has a good reputation on the app. But yeah, that's my video on peer-to-peer trading. Peer-to-peer trading. It's a great method of making extra money using cryptocurrencies. Once you get a good reputation, you could do it on a daily basis and have daily trades. And you can even put a markup of maybe 30%, people will still buy. There are some countries where Bitcoin is very expensive due to the regulations of these countries. So the best option is to use Paxful. So you're helping people while also helping yourself. So if you want to be a peer-to-peer trader, you can use Paxful, you can use other applications, it doesn't matter. We're all doing the same thing. And that kind of brings me to the end of my video. Thank you. If you're still watching here, that means you're interested. So there's a link in my bio to join. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.